Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. We are very happy to have you join us. In this two-part series, we're diving into a critical question that many car owners face. Should you get an extended warranty for your car? Extended warranties can offer peace of mind, but they also come with costs and considerations. In Part 1, we'll explore what extended warranties are, their pros and cons, and the factors to consider before making a decision. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we'll provide expert guidance on how to navigate the world of extended warranties and help you make an informed choice. If you're interested in protecting your investment and making the right warranty decision, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more automotive insights. Are you considering whether or not to get an extended warranty for your car? Making this decision can be a bit daunting, but don't worry, we're here to help. In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of purchasing an extended warranty for your vehicle. Whether you're a new car owner or have had your vehicle for a while, it's important to understand the benefits and drawbacks of this additional coverage. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of whether an extended warranty is the right choice for you. What is an extended warranty? An extended warranty is an optional service contract that provides additional coverage for repairs and maintenance of your vehicle beyond the manufacturer's original warranty period. It serves as a form of insurance that can potentially save you from expensive repairs and unexpected breakdowns. Benefits of an extended warranty. When considering whether to get an extended warranty for your car, it's essential to understand the potential benefits it offers. Here are some advantages worth considering. Peace of mind. Purchasing an extended warranty for your car can provide peace of mind, knowing that you have coverage in case of unexpected repairs or mechanical failures. Financial protection. Car repairs can be expensive, and unexpected breakdowns can disrupt your budget. With an extended warranty, you can mitigate these financial burdens by having repair costs covered. Long-term investment. Investing in an extended warranty can be a wise decision, especially if you plan to keep your vehicle for an extended period. It helps protect your investment by providing coverage beyond the manufacturer's warranty. Convenience. An extended warranty often comes with additional benefits such as roadside assistance, rental car reimbursement, and trip interruption coverage. These perks can make dealing with car issues more convenient and less stressful. Types of extended warranties. Extended warranties come in various forms, and it's essential to understand the options available. Here are the common types of extended warranties. Manufacturer extended warranty. This type of extended warranty is offered by the vehicle's manufacturer and provides additional coverage beyond the original warranty. It typically offers the most comprehensive coverage for parts and repairs. Third-party extended warranty. These extended warranties are purchased separately from a third-party company, not affiliated with the vehicle manufacturer. They often come with various coverage levels and options, allowing you to customize based on your needs and budget. Component-specific extended warranty. Sometimes referred to as a powertrain warranty or bumper-to-bumper warranty, this type of extended warranty focuses on specific components or systems of the vehicle. It provides coverage for repairs related to these specific areas. Factors to consider before getting an extended warranty. Before making a decision on whether to get an extended warranty for your car, consider the following factors. Vehicle reliability. Research and evaluate the reliability of your vehicle make and model. If it has a reputation for being reliable and having few mechanical issues, an extended warranty may be less necessary. Cost versus coverage. Compare the cost of the extended warranty with the potential savings it could provide. Consider the likelihood of significant repairs and the average cost of those repairs without warranty coverage. Coverage limitations. Carefully read and understand the terms and conditions of the extended warranty. Look for any exclusions, deductibles, or limitations that may affect the coverage. Ownership duration. If you plan to keep your vehicle beyond the manufacturer's warranty period and prefer the peace of mind that comes with extended coverage, an extended warranty may be worthwhile. Remember to carefully evaluate your individual needs and circumstances before deciding on an extended warranty for your car. It's always recommended to weigh the potential benefits against the cost and make an informed choice that aligns with your preferences and budget. Pros of getting an extended warranty. Getting an extended warranty for your car can offer several advantages that provide peace of mind, budget protection, and enhanced resale value. Let's explore these benefits in detail. Peace of mind. One of the primary advantages of obtaining an extended warranty for your car is the peace of mind it brings. Knowing that your vehicle is protected beyond the manufacturer's warranty can alleviate worries about unexpected repairs and potential financial burdens. With an extended warranty, you can have confidence in the reliability of your vehicle, allowing you to drive worry-free. Budget protection. An extended warranty provides an effective shield against unexpected repair costs. Car repairs can be expensive, and unforeseen mechanical failures can arise at any time, leaving you with a hefty bill to pay. However, with an extended warranty, you can mitigate these expenses by having most, if not all, covered repair costs taken care of. This not only protects your budget but also offers a sense of financial security, especially during uncertain economic times. Enhanced resale value. Investing in an extended warranty can potentially increase the resale value of your car. When you decide to sell your vehicle, having an extended warranty in place can make it more appealing to potential buyers. It showcases that you have taken the necessary steps to ensure the car's longevity and reliability, thus providing potential buyers with confidence in their purchase. This enhanced resale value can lead to a higher selling price and a smoother selling process. In summary, getting an extended warranty for your car offers numerous benefits. It allows you to drive with peace of mind, knowing that your vehicle is protected. Additionally, it provides budget protection by covering unexpected repair costs that could strain your finances. Lastly, an extended warranty can enhance the resale value of your car, making it a more attractive option for potential buyers. Considering these advantages, it's worth exploring whether an extended warranty is the right choice for you and your vehicle. Cons of getting an extended warranty. Getting an extended warranty for your car may seem like a smart decision at first, providing you with a sense of security and protection. However, it's important to carefully consider the potential downsides before making a purchase. In this section, we will explore the cons of getting an extended warranty, including additional cost, limited coverage, and overlapping coverage. Additional cost. One of the main drawbacks of getting an extended warranty is the additional cost it entails. Extended warranties can be quite expensive, adding a significant amount to the overall price of your car. While the upfront cost may seem reasonable, it's crucial to consider the long-term financial implications. Ask yourself if the cost of the warranty is worth it compared to the potential repairs or replacements you might actually need during the warranty period. Limited coverage. Another downside is the limited coverage offered by most extended warranties. These warranties often come with a list of exclusions and limitations, which means that certain components or repairs may not be covered. For example, wear and tear, routine maintenance, and certain electrical components might not be included in the warranty coverage. Before making a decision, carefully review the terms and conditions of the extended warranty to ensure it aligns with your specific needs and concerns. Overlapping coverage. When considering an extended warranty, it's important to evaluate whether it overlaps with any existing coverage you may already have. If your car is still under the manufacturer's warranty or if you have additional coverage through your insurance policy, an extended warranty may duplicate the protection you already have. Duplicated coverage can end up being a waste of money, as you would essentially be paying for the same benefits twice. Make sure to thoroughly review your existing coverage before purchasing an extended warranty. Factors to consider. When deciding whether or not to get an extended warranty for your car, there are several factors that you should take into consideration. These factors can help you evaluate whether an extended warranty is a worthwhile investment for your specific situation. Thank you for joining us in part 1 of our series on whether you should get an extended warranty for your car. We've discussed the basics of extended warranties, their advantages and disadvantages, and the key factors to weigh before making a decision. Be sure to watch part 2, where we'll provide expert advice to help you navigate the extended warranty landscape and make the best choice for your vehicle. If you found this video informative and valuable, and if you want to protect your car and your financial well-being, please support our channel by liking, commenting with your thoughts, sharing this video with others, and subscribing for more valuable automotive insights. Stay tuned for the next part, where we'll empower you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions about extended warranties. Thank you for watching.